Hi, I'm Peter Norman with IKONICS Imaging, and I'm going to show you some of the features with our Crystal Blast Elite, features that we've had for many years, and some new features that we've added in 2016. To start, I'll turn the cabinet on. When you turn the cabinet on, you can see the lights come on and it starts our dust collector. Our dust collector, we use a 700 CFM exhaust blower with 110 coil cartridge filtration. What's exclusive to the Crystal Blast Elite machine is the way we clean our filter. We have what's called pneumatic reverse pulse cleaning. When I press this, it shoots compressed air at the filter, shaking the dust off the coil cartridge. It's pneumatic reverse pulse, so you can press it as often as you want, even with the machine running. The more you press it, the cleaner it will be inside the cabinet. All of our controls are eye level, from turning the pressure on to the machine to depressurizing. You can turn the pressure up with our lockable pressure regulator, clean the machine, and turn the dust collector on and off. You can do this from a seated position. Our Crystal Blast Elite is an ergonomic sit-down cabinet. You can be seated at a stool while you're actually operating the cabinet. Our foot pedal is a full foot treadle, stepping anywhere and the grit will come out of the cabinet. Now the foot treadle is adjustable. You can raise it up to the height of the operator. So if you have someone who may be a little shorter, you can adjust the foot pedal higher. If you have somebody that's a little taller, you can adjust the foot pedal lower. All of our hoses are reinforced urethane hoses. The benefits of having reinforced urethane is they're a lot lighter than standard Sandblast hoses, and they all come with quick disconnect. When you need to replace a hose, you just push and pull and change the hose out. Inside the cabinet, you can see we have our patented separator reclaimer. The benefit of having a cabinet that has a patented cyclone separator is you're gonna retain all of the Sandblast media within the cabinet. So by having the largest dust collector, dust blower in the industry, and our patented Cyclone 240, you can sandblast and the grit will circulate within the Cyclone and only allow the dust into the filter while the good grit stays within the cabinet. We have our whip hose, which is a quarter of the weight compared to standard Sandblast hoses. So when you get that large job and you're doing your sandblasting on the pieces, you'll have less fatigue in your wrist because the hose is so light. We also have quick disconnect on our nozzles. So when you need to replace your nozzles, you just push and pull, put the new nozzle on, and you're ready to go. We also have an extra airline because of the configuration of our pressure pot. The extra airline will allow you to blow off your piece when you're done sandblasting. So you can sandblast your part and then blow the additional grit off. We also have our LED backlighting. What the LED backlighting is for inspecting your parts when you're done sandblasting to make sure you've achieved the depth that you wanted to achieve. Now, of course, it's bright, so you can turn it on or off depending on if you want it on all the time or not. Something new for 2016 is our LED internal lighting. They're located up above. Most sandblasters in the industry use halogen lights or some screw-in LED lights. We keep ours completely sealed above a chamber and they shine down. So you can see how bright it is inside the cabinet. Another feature we have in our Crystal Blast Elite is our window sweep that forces the air to flow through the sweep and onto the window, which keeps the window clean and the grit away from the window, so you have a cleaner viewing window when you're sandblasting. A lot of the features in the Crystal Blast Elite we introduced years ago in 2003 when we first introduced our first Crystal Blast 3624 cabinet. We're always looking to improve our cabinets, and through the years, a lot of customers have seen the many benefits that we've added to make the process more ergonomic, cleaner, and a lot more fun to decorative sandblast. For more information on our Crystal Blast Elite sandblasting system or any other products or equipment that IKONICS manufactures, you can visit our website at ikonicsimaging.com. IKONICS.com.